Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now today, I'll discuss about importance of English. What is English? English is a subject and English is a language. And now today, I'll discuss about value of English. Before, in an ancient time, no value of English. But in this time, all areas, importance of English, all areas depended by English. Suppose that if you want to get a success, if you want to do the any official job, and whenever you have no knowledge of English, you are nothing. Because in this time, in this moment, that is also most important language of English. Because you have knowledge of English, you can survive your life any countries with easily. Now, I will tell you that suppose that if you want to get a success, suppose that if you want to go to foreign country and whenever you have no knowledge of English, you can't go on that country because firstly, if you want to go in another country, in any countries, before going, you will have to face the interview and any interviewer then ask you question in English medium. But you have a lot of degrees, a lot of experience, and whenever you have no knowledge of English, you are rejected on there because you have a lot of degrees, a lot of experience. You reason up, you have no knowledge of English. That's why whatever interviewer will be ask you question, it will be not unable to understand his question. That's why I think firstly, if you want to go any countries, if you want to get a success, if you want to survive your life, firstly you will have to need of importance of English. Now, today, as you know very well that before that, in an ancient time, you only a single subject of the English. But in this time, that is math, chemistry, bio, all subjects converted by English. Suppose that you have a degrees, a lot of talented, excellent, and brilliant, but whenever you have no knowledge of English, you are nothing. You can't understand about any subject because in this time all courses and all subject converted by the English. That's why it's my point of view. English is the most important for the every person. As you know very well that in this time that is also all courses converted by English. If you want to get succeed, if you want to go any country, of course you will have to need it of the English. Suppose that you also go in America, Singapore, Malaysia, and that is also English is a language, and that place that is a mother tongue of English. As like mother tongue, our mother tongue is Hindi. That is also on that palace in a foreign country. Mother tongue is English, and whenever you have no knowledge of English, you are a nothing. Because whenever you also go in a hotel, restaurant, and a medical, in a hospital, all places in a English needed. At that time, you have any type of the conclusion, any type of the problem, then firstly will have to solve your problem by the help of English. As you know, in this time, suppose that you are going for the medical line, in engineering line, and airport sector, and that is any sector you are going. Firstly, you will have to need it of the English. As you know, in a airport, all announcement is in English medium. As like railway station, whenever you also go in any railway station, firstly, you have listened many more time as like, may I have your attention please? Train number 2003 shortly arrives come via Gorakhpur to Patliputra. That is the whole announcement in English. That's why English is the most for the every person. Whenever you also talk with, if you want to get a success, if you want to do the official job, firstly you will have to need it of the English. Then English is the most for all human bodies. Then whatever I am giving you suggestion about importance of English, and this time all social medias converted by all social media depended by English. Suppose that if you want to do the shopping online, that is all type of the typing you will have to written by English. And whenever you have no knowledge of English, you are nothing. If you want to become leader, teacher, engineer, professor, firstly, you will have to need it of the English. Then it's my suggestion for the all human bodies in this time, whatever you are spending your time in any courses, any type of the course, firstly, you will have to need it of the English. Then for the communication, for the survive your life, due to reason, you will also survive any countries with easily. Suppose that you also go in any foreign country, and that moment as like a rich popular in a foreign country, a rickshaw puller will be also speaking English language. Then what will you do? Suppose that if you want to go to Padrona railway station and whenever, then you also staying to stop to auto rickshaw, and auto rickshaw will be also ask you question as like English. Where are you to go now? Then you are knowledge. You have a knowledge of the Hindi and Bhojpuri, but that moment will be no to work that moment. That's why English is the most for the everyone, for the everybody's. And firstly, it's my suggestion. You will have to learn spoken English, how to communication and how to survive your life. That's all. Thanks for listening here. अगर आप भी ऐसा ही इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो मैं आपको 90 डेज का कोर्स दे रहा हूँ, जिस 90 डेज में 100% आपको सिखाने का दावा कर रहा हूँ। और ऐसे इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए आज ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें